Hey everybody, it's Christina Daves with your Get Famous Friday PR tip. Today I just want to talk briefly about why publicity is so valuable and the difference between publicity and advertising. Advertising is a part of marketing. I understand that, and it's an important part, but it's something that you pay for and you dictate the message. And people know that. You know when you're flipping through a newspaper or a magazine, or of course watching on television, you know what a paid ad is. And they're telling you exactly what they want you to hear. Now, publicity is free, and it's what they call earned media. It's somebody else telling the world how great you are. And that's why there's so much value and power to it. I always love to use the analogy of a Joe's Pizza. You know, we all have Joe's Pizza in our community. So let's say you're flipping through your local paper, you see the ad for Joe's Pizza, best pizza outside of New York City, and then you flip a few more pages and there's an article that says Hidden New York Pizza Gem. And you go on to read the article, and the person who wrote it moved here 3 years ago from Brooklyn and has never had pizza this good outside of New York. Which one is going to make you want to go try that pizza? The article is. So that's why getting free publicity is so important. And I hope you've been watching these tips and you've been implementing. And if you want more, please join the challenge. I invite you every week. If you're ready now, it's yourprchallenge.com. It's 10 days long, super short videos, really easy, easy things to implement, easy things to do to help you get more visibility through publicity. So I hope you'll join, and I hope to see you in the media.